We're gonna die.
Does it hurt your chest?
Yeah.
You know what you do? You take another. You have to take another hit. I know CPR, just to let you know. But I'm high, so I don't know. I thought his chair broke.
Shut the fuck up.
What?
Why are you not laughing?
What?
You're not laughing. He's just kidding.
Well, you're fucking high. I don't give a
He's just kidding.
Who pushed the chair
Hey,
over?
you shut the fuck up.
Oh, you pushed me over.
You have to take another hit. Dude, if I had the other stuff, I'd be sleeping. What would you rather me do?
Why did I hit so much harder than I did at the fair? What the fuck?
Would you?
Right there. Oh, got you. Try again.
Trying to hold that cigarette in, he's just frowning, trying to laugh though. I got it wet. What happened?
Did you not? Just laugh. God damn. Oh my god. He's fucking sitting there. The fucker goes all fucking chair. Holy fuck.
No, it's still
No, you're dead.
Oh, yeah.